How to fix YouTube video audio not working, Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube video audio not working problem. If your video is playing but there's no sound, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple fixes that usually solve the problem. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Step 1. Check your phone volume. The first thing you should do is check your device volume. Press the volume up button on your phone and make sure the media volume is turned up. Sometimes the phone may be on silent or vibration mode, which can mute media sounds. Step 2. Check the video sound icon. Next, look at the video player inside the YouTube app. Sometimes the video itself may be muted. Simply tap on the speaker icon on the video player to unmute it. Step 3. Restart the YouTube app. Another quick fix is to restart the app. Close the YouTube app completely from your recent apps list, then open it again and try playing the video. Step 4. Clear app cache for Android. If you're using Android, you can clear the app cache. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps and find YouTube. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the audio issue. Step 5. Update the app. Sometimes the problem happens because the app is outdated. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for YouTube, and check if an update is available. If you see the Update button, tap it and install the latest version. Step 6. Restart your phone. If the problem still isn't fixed, simply restart your phone. A quick restart can resolve many temporary system glitches. After your phone turns back on, open YouTube again and check if the sound is working. Final words. So that's how you can easily fix the YouTube video audio not working problem on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.